Have you ever wondered how you can earn money while you sleep? Imagine a world where your earnings don't cease when you clock out. This is the realm of passive income, a financial landscape where your money works for you around the clock, regardless of what you're doing. It's a transformative concept, one that can revolutionize not only how you earn, but also how you live. Now, there are multiple avenues to generate passive income, but one that's gained significant popularity is affiliate marketing. It's a method that leverages the power of digital platforms and online communities to create a steady stream of income. It's a game changer, a tool that's been used by countless individuals to achieve financial independence and even amass wealth. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Let's delve into that next. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is a strategy to earn money by promoting other people's or companies' products. It's a business model that connects merchants with independent marketers who are willing to invest time and money to sell a merchant's products. Here's how it works. You, as an affiliate, promote a product or service using a unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The company gets more sales, and you get a piece of the profit. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity and accessibility. It requires low startup costs, and you can work from anywhere, anytime. Plus, it has the potential to generate passive income, earning you money while you sleep. Sounds simple, right? But how does one actually get started with affiliate marketing? Let's explore that. Starting with affiliate marketing may seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First up, choosing a niche. This step is crucial because it will guide all your future decisions. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, but it also needs to be something others are interested in. This is where market research comes into play. Look for trends and sectors with growing interest. Next, it's time to find affiliate programs to join. There are countless programs out there, so it's important to find ones that align with your niche and have a reputation for treating their affiliates well. Remember, you're entering into a partnership with these programs, so choose wisely. Once you've got your niche and affiliate program sorted, it's time to create content. This could be blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, or any other form of content that suits your style and audience. The aim here is to promote the products in an authentic and engaging way. And finally, it's time to share your affiliate links. Embed these in your content, but make sure to do so in a way that feels natural and not overly promotional. It's all about balance. One last thing to remember: always choose products that align with your interests and your audiences. It's not just about making a sale, it's about building trust and credibility. And voila, you're now an affiliate marketer. But how do you ensure success in this field? Let's find out. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires strategy and persistence. Now, let's dive into some tips that could guide your journey to success in this field. First and foremost, understanding your audience is vital. Know their needs, their wants, and how your product or service fits into their lives. This will not only help you to effectively promote your product, but also build a strong relationship with your audience. Next, always remember that content is king. Providing valuable content that solves a problem or fulfills a need is crucial. This not only draws traffic to your site, but also keeps your audience engaged and more likely to click on your affiliate links. Patience, as they say, is a virtue, and in affiliate marketing, it's a necessity. It may take time to see the fruits of your labor, but remember, every step you take is a step closer to your goal. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, it's only a matter of time. Lastly, the world of affiliate marketing is ever-changing. It's important to stay updated and adapt to these changes. Keep learning, keep evolving, and keep pushing forward. Success in affiliate marketing is largely dependent on the trust built with your audience. By understanding them, providing valuable content, being patient, and continuously learning and adapting, you're setting yourself up for success. With these tips, you're well on your way to earning money while you sleep. Remember, the sky's the limit with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful tool for earning passive income. Remember, it's all about choosing the right product, promoting it effectively, and earning a commission for each sale made. The potential for financial freedom is immense. You could be earning money even while you sleep, all thanks to affiliate marketing. The journey may be challenging, but the returns can be rewarding. So, are you ready to earn money while you sleep? Start your affiliate marketing journey today.